second toast to my beautiful fiance. Engagement life has been amazing, and I can't wait to marry you tomorrow. So.
Thank you.
So Kayleigh, cheers. I love the way you love me.
Yeah, that's exactly how I feel about you. I think like you love me like nobody else ever would. Like I love how you love me. I feel like I'm nervous of his reaction of it. I hope he's not like crying, because then I'm probably going to want to cry. Like I'm trying not to cry tomorrow.
I'm not crying. Just very excited to see how she'll be looking on the day, and I'm sure, no doubt, the most beautiful dress. I'm not saying Kayleigh's a Kelpie, but let's look at the facts. She's Scottish, she's stunning, and to prove myself worthy, she made me leap into the black waters of the Falls of Philip, where I jumped for a third time and emerged from the black waters with a black diamond ring, asking Kayleigh to marry me. Who's a Kelpie now?